How to connect Drive search in Claude AI. So first of all, open your Claude application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, what you can do is simply tap on this plus icon right here. After doing that, if you scroll down a bit, you can see connectors. If you simply tap on it, here we can get the option of Drive search. All you need to do is tap on connect and then tap on continue. So in here, all you have to do is first of all, write down your email address or your phone number. So after adding down your email address or phone number here, we'll get to this page. And from here, all you need to do is tap on continue again. And in here, you can see if you want Claude to access all of these, you can tap on select all just like this. And when you scroll down, you can tap on continue. And just like this here, you can see we have successfully been connected to our Google Drive. And then from here, if you simply tap on this toggle button and enable it just like this, now from here, all of your Google Drive will automatically be connected to your Claude account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.